So the first thing we could try to do is manual enumeration. So we don't need to use any software immediately. We can try by hand to see maybe we can find something quickly. So obviously you can use your web browser for that. You might have some server. You can pick any server. So I will pick a server on my local network. Now I have to be sure that I'm on the same network. It was on 2.3. So you'll see I have a simple web server running. And what you could try to do is just guessing, right? So slash hidden, for example. Okay, nothing there. Slash example. Slash users. So obviously you could try to guess manually using a word list by one to try to find information. Now the browser console might give you some information. So if you open the URL, your website, which can be any website, you can go to the developer tools. So developer tools console, this exists both in Chrome and Firefox. This is Firefox, so I'm gonna go to more tools and web developer tools. So Chrome has a similar one. We can find some information with this tool. You'll see a little window pops up in the bottom. So first you'll see some website code, which is not that interesting. You might find some comments here or some information in the code itself. You can also right click view page source, and you might find some information in the comments that shouldn't be exposed. A comment is always written using tags. So a comment might be written like this. Inside the HTML. So you might find a line like that with, okay, maybe there's a user John in the system. All right. So you might find something in the HTML code. You can also find sometimes some information in the network. So if you click on network and click refresh, and you click any of them, for example, the slash here, click on the headers, and you might find that which software is being used. For example, our software, the response header, there's a server, and it tells us, okay, it's running Ubuntu, so a Linux system, and the server software is Nginx version 1.18. So you can find some basic information using the web developer tools, like this operating system your target is using and the server software and version.